So this side start getting boiled.
So today's task on Shofar Mountain is cooking all this maple sap that we gathered this winter time from 2 different locations, and we have a lamb cooking setup that was big enough to take all the pans, and we've got a fire started in the base, which is hot. It's hard to even approach it, but it has to be hotter still because with pre-frozen sap, the sap's got to get to boiling. So we are working it today, and we have helpers here. Yeah, we're looking forward to getting this sap taken care of. Doing the things, y'all. We are several hours in. We have had some instruction down at the range, and we've consolidated the pans to 3 pans. We got our fire builder. She is moving the fire under the pans to keep them at a bowl. Everything seems to be going well. We found out that you need really good gloves, and eye protection helps when working around the fire, absolutely. And some insulation on your arms. But yeah, the sap is happening. Here's some of the tools we used. This pan was used to, the sap was frozen, and so we had to cut it out of the container. So we were doing that in there with this knife and that set of tin shears, and got the table out so we weren't all just bending down over the fire. And then some helpers taking a break, which is what I'm going to do now because I'm hungry. So we have brought in the sap. It's getting thicker, it's getting darker, to finish off on our Pioneer Princess wood stove. And we have the oven going at about 300 degrees. And once this is starting to get thicker, we will put it in jars. But right now, we have some people who are filtering the syrup and getting the impurities and the twigs and the sticks and the bugs out. And right here are the sterilized jars. And right here is a finished product from another batch. So that is the syrup. All right. When we're done, it'll probably be even less than this in just 1 pan because it cooks way down. But thus far, it's got the marshmallow groove going on. Is that right? The marshmallow vibe and the flavor. Sister Rachel said, yeah. Okay, so we are close to 8 hours in, possibly going on 9. And these circles are a really good sign that it's almost there. And the flavor is just amazing. And so we've got a little bit of it already been through its second filter. It's dark because it's a later sap, but my gosh, the flavor is so good. Okay, so the ones that have sealed are on the left, and the one on the right in front are getting ready to be sealed. And so it's the end of the season. It's a much darker syrup, but my gosh, is it tasty. Right on. And we praise y'all for giving us this blessing. All right, y'all. Shalom.